All right, so solo number 2 in Sweet Child of Mine. So it starts off the same on the 14 on the G. So we're going to go 14, 12, 11, 14, 12, 11, and then 14, 12, and then 14 on the D. And again. And then we've got this look. We've got 14, 12, 14, 12, and then it slides down to the 11. Got a little cheeky little 1 fret bend there, and you can kind of do that just with your first finger, and you can pull it down. And then down to the 12 there on the D. So 11 bend, back, down to 12 on the D, back to the 11. Actually, that's 12. So up to 12 there. And then with your little finger, look, you're going to go 15 on the B, and then 12, 11 on the G. So that whole section. Okay, next bit here, we're going to start again 14, 12, 11, 14, 12, and then we're going to go like this, look. 14 slide, slide to 16, and then with your second finger, you got 15 there, and then on the B, sorry, and then down to 13, and then bend the 15, okay? So a cool little slide bit there. Okay, and then back down. So you're kind of picking it twice there when the bend, the 15 bend is already up. And then down to the 13 there. And then we've got another down to the 12, and we've got another little 1 fret bend on the 12 there. So you're going to bend up, bend back down, and then look, it goes 12 on the G and 12 on the E. Sorry, on the D. So, and then back to a bend here on the 14. Back down, and then 12, and then bend again on the 14, and then your 15 there, little finger. These things kind of come up again, and then bend 15, swap fingers to get that bend there. Back down, and then look, you're going to bend 17, and then 17 with your little finger. Okay.